Good morning, my loves. I hope you guys are all doing so well. I am currently editing Sunday's video and it is currently 21 minutes long, and that's not including cleaning the dining room. I decided not to clean the dining room because Shiloh is currently being homeschooled, so she is occupying the dining room, as some of you may know. But before I begin, I do want to say thank you to today's sponsor, Premium Jane. Now, Premium Jane is a company that sells CBD products, and some of the products that they sell include oils, gummies, topicals, and capsules. Now, the product I received is this chocolate mint CBD oil. Now, I was skeptical at first, but CBD oil has really helped me. It helps reduce anxiety as well as neurological pain. There are so many other benefits of CBD oil. I will link the website down in the description below. You can get 20% off any of their products with the code BELL. So if you are interested in trying CBD oil, definitely head over to their website. They are well trusted. They post all of their lab results on their website, as well as any of the testing that they do, and all of their stuff is locally sourced and made in America. Now, there are tons of benefits to CBD oil. Like I said, it can reduce pain as well as anxiety and depression. And if you have a neurological condition, some of you guys know that I have MS. Now, if you don't know what MS is, it's where your immune system attacks your brain and your nervous system. Now, I do suffer with muscle pain, neurological pain. So when I started taking CBD, I have noticed that on days that I do take it, I do feel a lot better. Now, I do take this in the morning and before bed. It does help me with sleep, which I'm very surprised, because I was literally taking ZQuil every night and still I wasn't able to fall asleep. So once again, if you are interested in trying these products, you can get 20% off with the code BELL. And I will list all the products that I received down in the description box below. Now, how you use CBD oil. You will take half of a dropper and you will place it underneath your tongue, and you can wait 60 to 90 seconds before swallowing for best results. Within a half hour, I notice the results and my body feels much more relaxed and all of the tension in my muscles has disappeared. Now, this is just my personal experience. CBD oil is not used to cure or treat or replace any kind of medications, and always talk to your physician before adding a new supplement into your diet. Once again, thank you to Premium Jane for sponsoring today's video. And once again, I will leave my link down in the description box below with my code BELL for 20% off any of their products on their website. So I finally finished the voiceover for my video for Sunday. My computer is super mad right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but every time I record like my voice, the computer's fan just kicks on. So I am looking into getting an external mic. I'm currently just heading to the kitchen to put my coffee in the sink. Why are you not in school? I'm in school. Get in school. Dishes clearly need to be done, but let's go outside and check on the garden. Outside. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you my garden. I have a couple things planted, so let me show you. These are my tomato plants. There is 3 of them. We have a butter boy, a early girl, and some cherry tomatoes. And then over here I have tons of broccoli. It looks like they are doing pretty well. Doesn't seem like rabbits have gotten into it. I use this chicken wire to kind of protect my garden. And then over here I have sweet peppers here. That is some strawberries, and then that I believe is green peppers. I am freezing. I'm just gonna check on the greenhouse before going back inside. I hope it was okay to plant them, given that it's still super cold out. My shoes are getting wet from, it's been raining the last few days. It was so nice, and then I planted them and now it's not nice. It is a bit warmer in the greenhouse. I see no growth in any of my pots. I don't remember what I planted here. I think these are cucumbers. These are Shiloh's tomatoes. Some other things. I don't know if these are gonna grow, but it's worth a shot. These I think are sugar snaps. You could still see some of the seeds. I'll cover those back up. And then these are orange peppers. But there's still no growth. I'm gonna go back inside though, it's cold. I cannot believe how cold it got outside. It was in like the high 80s like 2 days ago. And then the last 2 days, what's that noise? It's like a hissing noise. That's so weird. But anyway, my garden seems to be doing well despite the cold rain. I might go out and water it just because it hasn't rained in a few hours, but I'm kind of worried about overwatering it, and as I said, the greenhouse hasn't really grown yet. Soil still seemed moist in the greenhouse at least. But some of the little starter kits that I got Shiloh were supposed to be kept in warm air. But it is freezing out, so hopefully the seeds will handle the cold air well. I mean, it's in a greenhouse. Greenhouses get relatively warm. But I have been obsessed with gardening and plants lately. I actually have a landscaper coming at some point this weekend. But I have also been trying to grow my own succulents. I have a bunch of them started over there. I'll show you guys in a second. But I have grown spider plants. I have tons of baby spider plants. I have a tree. It's an umbrella tree, I think it's called. I have a purple heart, which I'm also have some babies for and am rooting. And then, here, let me just turn you guys around. Here is my spider plant. It has tons of babies growing already, but this isn't even half of it. My camera's not focusing. But anyway, this has been growing for a while now, and then all of these little flowers will turn into baby spider plants. Up here is my vine plant. It is taking over my room. It goes that way, then it goes down here, up there, and then it is growing out that way. That branch up there is new growth. Over here I have my umbrella tree. It kind of grew up and then crooked because I forgot to rotate it. So he is a little limp, but he's doing well. I recently added some stones to his pot. And then here is my attempt at growing succulents. It's not letting me focus. But for some reason, I can't seem to get my camera to focus. I think that might be a little bit better. Everything is so blurry. So here are my succulents that I am trying to grow. This one here has some roots that I noticed, and then this one does. This one not quite, this one does, and I believe this one. But some of them are decaying, which I'm really sad about. But we'll see how they turn out in a few weeks. It could take weeks for them to actually root. And then up here is my purple heart. It has babies in there. I'm short, so you guys probably could hardly hear me. But for my succulents, I bought this. So I'm hoping this helps. Now my office is like the only place in the house that has sun because the sun rises from the backyard, obviously from the east, and so it rises from this way. And so my window faces out that way. I'm gonna interrupt Shiloh in school and show you my plants out here. Almost dropped my camera, but Shiloh is currently in school, which is why there was music to those plants. But that is my plant collection so far, besides what I'm actually growing outside. I'm just hanging out in my office. I need to add some music to my cleaning video for Sunday, and then I should get lunch started in a few minutes. And so I'll probably make lunch first and then add music to my cleaning video. But like I said, I am so excited for my cleaning video on Sunday. I think this is gonna go up before then, but we'll see. Maybe this will come up on Saturday. Maybe I can get it done by the end of today and post it, but we'll find out. So today has been quite a long day. My camera seems to be having trouble focusing still, which is so unfortunate. I'm gonna play around with it for a moment. My face looks very red in this lack of lighting. I don't know, maybe it's because I just took a nap, but it is currently about 4:30. I do need to get dinner started in about a half hour, maybe 45 minutes. I usually try to get dinner done around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Just because Jerry is always super busy until about then. I'm not sure what I'm even gonna make. I'd have to rummage my freezer. But yeah, so that's something I need to do. I just uploaded Sunday's video. It will be live at 10 a.m. on Sunday. I'm not sure if you guys will be seeing this vlog before Sunday or after Sunday, so just because I'm really bad at vlogging, I'm getting better, kind of, except for the lighting, jeez. Like, I'm really bad at vlogging in general just because I'm not really consistent with things, and I really feel like my life isn't that interesting. There are a couple projects I want to do around the house, but given that it's already like 4:30, I might not have time. I need to bring the saw in from the garage, but it is so cold outside. I feel bad for my plants. And I bought a door for the basement, the spare room down there, because the cats keep going in there and just making a mess. And I would just prefer them not to destroy the carpet and trail cat litter and stuff in there, because that's where our cat litter boxes are, is in the basement. So yeah, that's my plan for the rest of the night. So I decided to make soup for dinner, and as I was trying to open the can, the tab broke. So I gotta figure out how to open this can. I might just use a regular can opener, but I just wanted some nice warm soup. Oh, and the bunny's back. Here, let me show you guys the bunny. I don't know if you guys can see him. Can I zoom in with this? I don't think so. Oh, I can't see him with this one. So we have a bunny in our yard. Jerry has named him Chonkers because he is a huge rabbit. Hopefully you guys can see him. I'm pretty sure he ate like 4 other rabbits because he is just so big. I'm watching him now because I know he's looking how to get into my garden. He's so cute. He's all grooming himself. I had to go get my phone to record this just because my Canon does not zoom in, which is a bit disappointing, but at least you guys get some footage of Chonkers. So a little bit change of plans. We decided to go to the Japanese cherry blossom garden, as you can see behind me. All of the cherry blossom trees are in full bloom. I absolutely love these white ones, but my favorite ones are the pink ones. And I'm trying so hard to convince Jerry to let me plant a cherry blossom tree in my backyard. Since we live in Western New York, it would do so well here. But, well, it'll do well in my backyard, I should say. But it is so pretty here. There is not that many people. It's decently chilly, but That's probably for the best too. So as I was editing yesterday's day in the life vlog, I realized I did not film an ending. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching the vlog and the day in the life, and thank you kindly to today's sponsor, well, yesterday's sponsor, Premium Jane. And once again, you can get 20% off anything on their website with my code BELLE. It'll be down in the description box below, as well as the link to the products that I have received. Thank you so much to everyone for watching. Don't forget to leave this video with a thumbs up and comment down below whether or not you want to see me plant a cherry blossom tree in my backyard. Let's see how many comments I can get to help me try to convince Jerry to let me plant that tree. Anyways, I'll see you guys all in my next video, which will be on Sunday. Actually, I don't know when my next video is because I don't know when this one's going up. But either it'll be on Wednesday at 10 a.m. or Sunday at 10 a.m. Bye!